If your name begins with Sh, then you're probably an introvert. You create amazing things with your hands. You are able to manifest, create, and appreciate beautiful things in life. You probably don't have very good health. You've probably gone through one surgery in your life. You attract money at some point in your life with ease. Either someone will give you money or you will earn lots and lots of it, but with a lot of strategy, hard work, smart work. But you have the capability. You also have this ability to gauge the situation around you very easily, and you're able to work with people. So you get a read on the energy in the room and you're able to work with people. Your health is not good and you're ruled by moon, so I suggest all of you to wear silver, and you attract nazar very easily. You also are able to get fame and recognition in your life after a certain point, and you will have two very, very big setbacks in your life before that jackpot, or before you finally take off.